Hi friends, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to discuss how HDFC Bank became one of the most successful banks in India. And before we begin with this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. So let's begin. Well, HDFC Bank, known as Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, was established in 1994. And since then, it has become one of the best and most successful private banks in India. So let's discuss the key factors which has contributed to HDFC Bank's growth. Number one, customer-centric approach. Well, HDFC Bank has always and consistently tried to provide excellent customer service by understanding the diverse needs of its customers. This approach has helped HDFC to develop a regular and permanent customer base. And apart from that, HDFC has also been able to build strong customer relationships. That is why once you get into an HDFC bank and open an account there, they are at your service for all the requirements. The second key factor is technological innovation. Well, it won't be wrong if I say that HDFC was the first bank to think about technology in our country. That's because HDFC has been at the forefront in adopting and implementing the new technologies into its operations. In India, HDFC was one of the early adopters of online banking and digital services. And this first mover's advantage has worked wonderfully well for HDFC. It has increased its customer base to an unimaginable level in the private sector banking. The third key factor is product diversification. Well, HDFC has given a comprehensive range of financial products to its customers and account holders. For example, savings account, current accounts, loan, credit card, insurance, and whatnot. If any kind of financial product can be offered by a bank, HDFC has jumped into it. And this diverse product portfolio has helped HDFC to retain its customers. This is how they grow their business day in and day out. The fourth key factor and the most important one is robust risk management. Well, risk management has been a big challenge for many of the private banks today in India in the times of growing NPAs. But HDFC Bank has formulated a robust risk management framework which includes credit risk assessment, fraud detection, and cyber securities. This risk management technique has helped to maintain the financial stability of the bank and hence the credibility of the bank for these years. The fifth key factor in HDFC's growth is efficient operations. Well, HDFC Bank has been known for operational efficiency and streamlined processes. HDFC has invested heavily in building an IT infrastructure which helps in smooth transactions both online and offline. And this has proven to be the best kind of service for their customers. Now, let's talk about the digital transformation at HDFC. Well, in the early 2000s, HDFC saw the potential and the requirement for digital transformation in the banking sector. Therefore, HDFC decided to leverage technology to bring a sense of improvement in customer service, customer convenience, operational efficiency, and expanding its reach. Therefore, HDFC Bank took many digital initiatives like number one, online banking. HDFC Bank was one of the pioneers in bringing online banking system into India. Through online banking, customers could access their accounts, do transactions, pay their bills, or even apply for a loan. Now, the change that it brought in the Indian ecosystem with respect to banking was that people had a lot of convenience. Earlier, people had to take a leave or take a break from their work to visit the bank. Now, the physical visits to the branches decreased a lot. Therefore, HDFC was able to acquire a lot of customers. Number two, mobile banking. Well, there came a time in India where everybody wanted to acquire a smartphone. And there was a boom in the sale of smartphones in India. Therefore, HDFC saw an opportunity in this. And they went on to build a mobile banking application. Well, through this banking application, they gave the customers various features like they could have access to their accounts, they could apply for a loan, they could track their investments, or even they could transfer money. The third initiative was payment systems. HDFC integrated with various payment systems, enabling the customers to buy things online, to pay for the goods and services online, and to even transfer money online. They even collaborated with third-party payment systems. They went up to the extent of giving in-house developed solutions for online payments. The fourth initiative was digital payments. While recognizing the growing development of digital payments, HDFC brought out its own digital wallets and even payment systems. HDFC actively participated in the UPI ecosystem of India, which enabled and facilitated peer-to-peer transfer and merchant-to-merchant transfer. And the last initiative was data analytics. Well, the HDFC Bank invested quite heavily in data analytics to understand the customer preferences and the customer behavior. This data-driven approach helped HDFC to bring out tailor-made products for each individual customers, which is a very important factor in the growth of HDFC. Now let's discuss what was the impact and result of HDFC's digital transformation. Number one, enhanced customer experience. Now customers could access their bank accounts, do transactions from anywhere and anytime. This helped to improve the customer satisfaction of the existing customers and also helped to get the new customers for HDFC. Number two, operational efficiency. Well, operational efficiency increased a lot. With the automation of processes, paperless transactions, and digital onboarding of the customers, the manual work reduced a lot, which increased the efficiency multifold and brought down the operational cost of the bank. Number three, market leadership. Well, this digital transformation at HDFC brought out a big first movers advantage to HDFC Bank, and therefore it became the market leader, setting a benchmark for the other banks to follow. Number four, business growth. Well, this digital services helped the bank in two ways. It helped to retain the already existing customers and it also helped to bring new customers to the bank. Number five, innovation recognition. Well, HDFC Bank brought about a lot of laurels and awards through its digital initiatives. It got recognition not only in the banking sector but also in the technology sector, which made the bank more popular among the masses and improved the trust of the people in the bank. Now let's discuss the challenges which will be faced and which are being faced by the HDFC Bank. Number one, cybersecurity. With increased reliance of bank on technology brings about vulnerability of the bank to cyber threats and data breaches. Therefore, a lot of investment has to be done in cybersecurity to safeguard the customer data as well as save them from online frauds. Number two, digital divide. Well, in a country like India, there has been a lot of digital divide between urban, semi-urban and rural areas. Therefore, bank has to do extra efforts to bridge this gap. The third challenge in the growth of HDFC is regulatory compliance. As the technology changes, the regulatory compliance and the framework should also adapt. Well, HDFC should keep track and also keep on changing their systems according to the new regulations as per the government for the technology. The fourth challenge is customer education. Though digital services are provided by the bank and maximum people are able to use the digital services also, but some of the customers may need assistance and training to use the digital services in proper way. Though it is a very minute challenge, but HDFC Bank has to look into this also. So it can be concluded that HDFC Bank's journey from establishment to the current position of being a leader in digital banking is a testament of its customer-centric approach, strategic innovation, and adaptability to the changing times and taste of the customers. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you have liked the content that we are bringing to you. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of research to bring to you these contents. Please support us by subscribing our channel and also pressing the like button and sharing the video with your friends and family. Thank you. God bless you.